In this video, I will share with you why I recommend DreamHost for blogging. Before I start, I want to let you know that if you use my DreamHost link from the description below to get your host, I will get a commission at no extra cost to you. As a thank you, I will give you access to my online university courses, including one about DreamHost to help you get started. Plus, you'll get access to these upcoming courses when released. Without any further ado, let's get into the details of why I recommend DreamHost for blogging. One positive aspect is that DreamHost provides a beginner-friendly interface. Although it doesn't include cPanel, the interface is well organized, making it easy for beginners to build and manage their websites, domains, and email accounts. DreamHost made installing WordPress straightforward. All you have to do is click on Install WordPress under WordPress, select your domain name, hit install, and wait a minute. After that, you will receive an email confirming your installation and letting you set your WordPress password. Instead of weekly backups, DreamHost makes daily ones that you can access. One minor flaw I didn't like about DreamHost backup system is that it makes them a bit harder to access. But rest assured, your backups exist within your website files. DreamHost also simplified the process of creating a professional email address. It's straightforward. Just click on Manage Email, select your domain, fill in your information, and voila, you have your inbox ready to go. If you already have an existing WordPress website on another host and you want to move it to DreamHost, you have not to worry. DreamHost lets you move it without touching any database file, searching for FTP access, or experiencing downtime. I already explained that in a detailed video. Just look up for DreamHost migration Ben's experience. While DreamHost has many positive aspects, there are some not so good aspects to consider. One of them is the average speed. I conducted a split test comparison with Hostinger to demonstrate the difference. In the comparison, DreamHost didn't load as quickly as Hostinger. If you still want to go with DreamHost, just remember to optimize your WordPress by installing only the necessary plugins, also using a lightweight theme, and optimizing the size of your photos. In 2024, DreamHost made a good change by making their live chat support available all day and night, instead of just for 16 hours a day. Improvement like this makes me trust the company more. Every time I use the live chat, I talk to Juan. While the support team may be limited in number, the waiting times were always acceptable and the quality of support I received was top-notch and fast. Shout out to Juan from DreamHost. If you are concerned about your investment in DreamHost, rest assured they offer a super generous money back guarantee that extends to more than 3 months. This gives you ample time to decide if it fits your needs. However, keep in mind that if you want a full refund, delay redeeming your free domain name to avoid it being deducted from your refund.